up, Define Squad? Welcome and welcome back. If you are not new here, it's your girl Alex at Defined by Alex, where we are defining our lives and building our dreams in that order. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. Thank you for tuning in. So in the beginning of this video, you guys saw me just showing you some shirts, but what I was really showing you guys was the quality of my t-shirts that I am now being fulfilled by Printify. Shout out to Printify for sponsoring today's video, you guys, because I really enjoy, honestly, this whole print on demand process has helped your girl a ton, okay? As far as free up my time with fulfillment, I do not feel bad about changing my mind, and I don't want you to feel bad either if you're in a position in your life where you want to still run your business, but you don't want to really run your business, okay? So I say all that to say that Printify is definitely such a great platform to help you do that, help you free up your time when it comes to fulfilling your orders and really handling all of the grunt work so that you can have more free time to put elsewhere. Now, take it from me, I'm the type of person that I love being the creative mind behind everything, but I don't always want my hands on everything. And so using Printify has helped me realize how much more I can get involved in my marketing, in my, well, still marketing, Facebook ad strategies, promo, pictures, all the content that's related. And sometimes as a solopreneur, it's hard juggling everything. It's really hard when you have this much of time, but this much work to do, right? So I think that when it comes to using a print on demand platform like Printify, you're going to really find yourself having more time and spending less on fulfilling your orders. So let me go ahead and talk about the quality of these shirts, you guys, which I have them right here. But the quality of my shirts that I've sampled, that I've bought just to make sure that they are up to my liking are the bee's knees. Okay, so including with the shirt I have on in today's video, I also have another shirt as a sample, and I have some sweatshirts as well in my lap. So let's just talk about the feel. Now, if you guys don't know, as far as when it comes to the softness of t-shirts, a lot of people like soft t-shirts, and Printify provides really great brands. But as far as like really soft, really good to your skin, it's not gonna break you out, it's not gonna feel itchy, when it comes to receiving the products, I will go with Bella Canvas. So I have a Bella Canvas tee, and I also chose the Bella Canvas tee to sell to my customers as well. So when I got this shirt, number one, it's super soft. It contours. I love how they also offer unisex, which even before switching to print on demand, I was also offering unisex sizes because in my mind, I just know that that's just gonna be a good route to go as far as sizing. You can never go wrong, and 9 times out of 10, people are gonna know how to shop for unisex sizing. Like, a lot of people know that if it's unisex, they just gotta figure it out, okay? But as far as what Printify offers, the unisex sizing for the Bella Canvas tee is always my top pick, and I love it. But let's get on to the details because I know y'all like the details. So for my design here, I made this in Adobe Illustrator. It was a good high resolution file, so that way I know when it's printed, it's not gonna be like splotchy, it's not gonna have like discrepancies in the design, it's gonna be very crystal clear, and that way I know it's gonna be a bestseller. So one thing I do wanna mention, when you are using Printify and you're gonna upload a design, you wanna make sure that it is a high quality design. But the good thing about Printify is that they let you know, they have a platform where they let you know in their mockup generator what's a high quality and what's medium to low quality. And they also let you know that if you want to pursue with getting a shirt made that's low resolution and low quality, well, they basically tell you that your shirt's really not going to last long. So I say all that to say is that it starts with you. It starts with you uploading a high quality design, because once Printify fulfills it, that's really going to make or break the quality. It's not their printer, it's not the t-shirts, you guys, it's your design. So I want to kind of debunk some things, you know, as I really kind of go into this topic, and to help you understand that when it comes to print on demand, you just can't make a design in Word or whatever like basic level platform, you know, and just expect it to just be like overly saturated and high quality. That's not how it goes. You want to make sure that your designs are really high quality, okay? And I mean, I say that with all love, you guys, because I've learned the hard way. I uploaded something that was low to medium quality. That shirt did not turn out well, but it wasn't Printify's fault. It wasn't their machine, it was my design. So just make sure that your design, good pigmentation, it has some contrast, it has what it needs to have, especially if you're doing graphic work. All right guys, so now I have just my sweatshirt laid out and I have my iron over here, because I know that when it comes to t-shirts and designs, you want to make sure that, you know, your design is conducive to heat and things like that, especially when it's DTG. So I totally understand if you're curious how this works. So, you know, and especially if it's not going to tarnish your design. So this is the sweatshirt, and as you can see, wrinkled. You know, I like non-wrinkled things, so I typically will iron it, you know, if I don't pop it in the dryer. So just to show you guys how this design is not going to be ruined by an iron. I don't have anything covering it. I even have like a little bit of like that residue left on my iron, which I know I need to clean, but that's not the point. And then I have it on, y'all can see this, the settings, they're kind of like faded off, but it's on cotton, okay? So, and I know it's hot just by testing it. So now I'm just going to iron my design. Get some of these wrinkles out. As you guys can see, I put it directly on the words. Nothing's coming off. I'm pressing it hard, okay? All that good stuff. And the wrinkles are slowly coming out. I can even probably turn this up higher if I wanted to, you know, just so I know the wrinkles come out on one stroke of the iron. But just to show you guys, you don't have to worry about your design tarnishing, getting ruined. As y'all can see, like literally I'm going straight in, nothing covering it. So that's why I know it's safe to iron and my designs won't mess up at all. There you go. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the quality of the products, okay, by me using Printify, and just showing you guys how it's really safe for iron and heat and all that stuff, especially with the DTG method. So thank you so much, Printify, for sponsoring today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, let me know what you think, and also feel free to connect with me on Instagram because I love talking to y'all. But as always, people, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.